Hey everybody, Lewis here, Arjac Barbecue and other things. Well, this is a hard video. This is a tribute video to a fellow YouTuber that touched so many lives. That this guy was so unbelievably nice and friendly and supportive. Big time supportive. So we all in the YouTube Cooks community decided we were going to do a tribute video of our favorite Phil and Florence recipe, and we're going to hashtag them, hashtag Phil and Florence. So after you watch this video, click on the hashtag and you'll see other collaborators involved in this that Phil touched. Phil and I had been messaging back and forth for quite some time, and he sent me a recipe for a cafe style chili hot dog. So I'm going to do that cook and see what it's like, and it's all in memory of Phil. I really enjoyed getting to know Phil and Janet through the YouTubes. Although we never met in person, I really enjoyed our friendship, and hope to get back to South Carolina and visit with them. Now I get the honor of seeing him upstairs someday, and I'm looking forward to that. Well, let's get into this cook, and rest in peace, my friend.
It's nice to be able to walk out to the garden and pick a bell pepper and take it in and put it in the salad, or come out here and pick some okra to cook for dinner that night, things like that. And of course, sliced tomatoes, to come out and pick a few fresh tomatoes. I wish we could do that all year long.
Regulars, mount up.
Lewis is a real good cook. He's good in the kitchen. He's good outside around the grill and the smoker. He's got multiple grills and smokers. He's a mechanical type guy. He can build. Another thing Lewis did is a project to build a UDS, a ugly drum smoker, and he did a great job on it. And he had some real neat features about his. One video that I really loved was that steak and shrimp dinner, and he had a shrimp parmesan sauce. That one caught my eye. He's a good cook. He did a video recently on the best pizza you ever had on a Little Smoky Joe. You need to go watch that one. He's got a big sense of humor, and I never saw that coming.
Yep. All right, let's taste this copycat Coney Island chili dog hot dog. That looks really good. Let's give it a try here. You can see it. Plenty of chili on it. Cheese, onions. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah. Gotta go in for another bite. That's really, really good. I can see why Phil sent me that. That is delicious. Cheers. Yeah. So, once again, this was a recipe that Phil in Florence had sent me. He said, boy, you need to try this. It's right up your alley. And he was right. This is really, really good. I could eat this, 2 or 3 of these. You know, we're all doing this collaboration, hashtag Phil in Florence, as a tribute. We lost Phil, and he had so many beautiful cooks and such a loving guy. He's going to be deeply missed, and I appreciate him sending me this recipe to try. And I'll have the ingredients and how to prepare it down in the description box. As you saw in the video too, I kind of told what we were doing. And this one's for you, Phil. Rest in peace. Till next time. Keep Janet in your prayers and the rest of the Rogers family. Words can't describe what he meant to all of us. Well, till next time, my friends, thank you for watching. Go give Phil some last love on his channel. Till next time.
South Carolina team. Clemson represented tonight.
Right.
They might not be my Cox, but it's a South Carolina team, and they won the big one. You know, I always said, every dog has his day, but the day won't your day, dog, for Bama.
That's right.
Sorry. May the best team win.
Perfect.
I think my battery's running out. We'll see you.
Bye.